everybody, I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens here with your SWX weather update. Still experiencing issues with smoke from wildfires off to the west and north. Here's the good news about that, though. The winds that have been pulling that smoke our direction should change direction and really start to help kind of blow that smoke out of here as we get closer to the weekend. So good news on that front. Still going to be another day or two before we really start to see any kind of improvement on that front. But it does look like it's going to get better as we go forward the rest of the week. Otherwise, seeing a couple of showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two, mostly over the mountains this afternoon here in Montana and northern Wyoming. Most of the activity is further to our south. Colorado, Utah, Nevada, southern Wyoming, further into the plains as well. But not a bad day, generally speaking, here in Montana and northern Wyoming. So doing pretty good. Well, we're going to see more of this activity going forward into the next few days. Warming up to mid to upper 80s for Thursday for the most part, and maybe even around 90 degrees for Friday, but more chances for afternoon thunderstorms, especially during the day on Friday. We are not expecting severe weather right now, so good news there. However, some of these storms could produce some heavy rain, so you'll want to be on the lookout for heavy rainfall, which can be an issue during driving, and maybe a little bit of flash flooding issues in some of the lower lying areas as well. Otherwise, going into the end of the day on Saturday, things should really start to dry out. Sunday's looking dry, Monday's looking dry. Might even be dry coming up on Tuesday, so some nice days up ahead for us. Lows overnight tonight, mostly in the 50s, still some issues with some smoke, but chances for rainfall and lightning should stay mostly around those mountains. Highs coming up for the day on Thursday. 80s to near 90 degrees, maybe a little bit more smoke and a few more chances for some storms. Next few days, going to see that warm up towards 90, and then those chances for storms really going to drop off second half of the weekend.